Hello friends, Tony here, welcome back. In this video we are going to take a look at onion type in TypeScript. So far we have learned types such as arrays, aliases, interfaces, any, unknown, big int, boolean, number, object, string, and tuples. And here I have created some variables. So let number type to be a type number, string type a string type, and any type an any type. Okay. Now if I say my number type to be equal with 1, we don't have any error, but if we make this a string, of course we have an underline error because this is so type string is not assignable to type number. Good. Of course the same thing if we say a string type to be equal with a string, no error, but if is 1 here, which is a number, we have here a type number is not assignable to type string. Okay. And with any type, so let's say any type here to be equal with 1 is okay because any type is for any type. Also with a string, no error. We can assign that with an object, no error. With an array, no error. And what if we want a variable to be either a number or a string, for example? And this is where the onion type helps us. So TypeScript allow you to combine specific types together as an onion type. And onion types are used when a value can be more than a single one. And let's see the TypeScript onion type syntax. So TypeScript lets you create onion type that is a composite of selected types separated by a vertical bar, or let's say here, or I'm going to remove all of them, and I'm going to say let not boolean type. I'm going to say onion type, and here we have colon, and then we have a type, and then a vertical bar or pipe, or this is also read as or, so number or string. Now this onion type is going to be either a number and string. And let's say, for example, here I'm going to say onion type to be equal with 1, no error. Also onion type to be equal with a string 1, no error. What if I say onion type to be equal with a true, which is a boolean? Here we don't have, here we have either number or string. Now we have the error, so type boolean is not assignable to type string. But with any type, if we say any type here to be true, no error. Okay, and let's move that. And also I'm going to remove this as well. Now I'm going to create a function, and let's say function, and I'm going to say print status code. And this is going to, here we are going to pass the status code, which is going to be number, but I'm going to say also number, or because this is going to be an onion type, or string. And here we say console log status code. Okay, now if I say here, now if I call here print status code 200, and let's save this, and I have opened this project. In here we have 200. Also if I put a string, save, the same thing, we have 200 here, no error. Okay, now I'm going to leave this, and I'm going to create a new method, a new function. I'm going to say function, and I'm going to say print status code 2. We have the status code 2, and here is the status code, which is an onion type, number or string, the same we have here. And now here I'm going to check if type of status code is number, so triple equal number. I'm going to not console log the status code, else I'm going to say console log, and let's say my status code is, and add in here the status, pass in here the status code. But if a type of status code is a number, I'm going to check here also if the status code is triple with 404. I'm going to say console log not found, and if 200, this is going to be console log okay. Okay, good. Now if I save this, and I'm going to remove this one, and now let's call the print status code 2. Print status code 2 and passing the string 200 here. Let's save and let's see on the browser. Yeah, my status code is 200 because this is not a number, and we say console log my status code is 200. But if that is 200 number, let's save and let's see, we have printed okay. And if that is 404, save, come here, yeah, we have not found. Very good. Now what I wanted to show and why I have created two methods here is, for example, here we expect to be either number or string. What if I call here the status code, and for example, I'm going to say the uppercase. Okay, we have the underline error here. So property to uppercase does not exist on type string and number, and property to uppercase does not exist on type number, which is okay expected. Now I'm going to comment this, and the same thing I'm going to call right here. So when I say my status code is, and passing here the status code to uppercase. And as you can see here, also the IDE, so the VS Code, suggests to add the uppercase here, and we don't have the error because we check if the type of status code is number, is going to execute this code, else, which means it's going to be string, it's going to execute this one. For that, we don't have the error here. So to avoid the error, you need to check if the type of, and for example, status code is number, execute this one, and then if not, it's going to be a string. Okay friends, that's it all about this video. Now let me just go to types and create a new file as always, and this is going to be onion TypeScript. I'm going to go to first one, select all, cut, and go to the onion TS, paste it here and save, and let's close this, save this and close. All the best friends, and don't forget, if you like such a video, subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.